Hey guys, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. Alright guys, so today I am doing a video about this special serum. Now I've been using this for the last, well, about a week and a half. They did send me this product, and I always tell anybody that sends me anything that if they're not up for honest reviews, they might as well keep their product. If I don't like it, I really don't do a video about it. You know, I might put it in a video down the line under worst products or whatever, but other than that, you won't find me reviewing a product unless I liked it. This is the Daisy Incense. I'm not sure how to, guys, I butcher everything. You already know this, so we're not, let's move on. Let's move on. This is their hyaluronic acid serum. It comes in a bottle like this. It is 1.4 ounces, and you'll get it for $14.99 on Amazon. I do have a code for you guys. You could get 40% off until June 30th. So I will put the code somewhere up here on the screen. It will also be down in the description box along with a link if you do want to test this stuff out. I really enjoy it. I love products that are organic and they really do their jobs. So I'm going to read to you what it does do, or what it says it does, and then I'm going to tell you what it really actually does when it's really being used. So it is a hyaluronic acid serum, and it is for face anti-aging and an anti-wrinkles serum. It's supposed to diminish fine lines and wrinkles, which you know your girl's got a bunch of them. It is sensitive enough to work for all skin types, which I really do love. There's no harsh ingredients in it, and it's also odorless. Now guys, that one right there, I could smell a little bit of a scent in it, but it's a really fresh, clean scent. So I wouldn't exactly call it odorless, but I love the smell of it. It smells so fresh and just new. I just love it. It also helps with dryness, dullness, uneven texture, if you have loss of firmness and elasticity. So it looks like a really great product, right? The directions on this stuff, now you're supposed to use it twice daily. I've been doing it in the morning and at night. You are supposed to do it after you wash your face and before you add your moisturizers. And it says to gently massage into skin to absorb better. Now, me, that's what I'll do. I will massage it in my skin, and then I'll kind of tap it in with my fingertips all over. You know, I always do all my serums like that. And it does come, again, with a dropper. And guys, believe it or not, this dropper actually works. Check this out. I have gotten so many products, especially like the liquid highlighters and stuff that have the droppers, and the droppers don't actually work, so I don't even know why they put them in there. But I was so surprised to see a dropper that actually works. If you could see, it picks up product. Let me empty it out. Yeah, I don't know why this fascinates me. I'm a weirdo, I guess. Okay, so it is totally empty right now. There it goes. It has pulled up some product, and of course it is coming out exactly the way you want it to. Like I said, I don't know why that fascinates me. It's just like one of the first products I've ever gotten where the dropper actually works in the product. It also has 4.6 stars, and I do see why. I can feel like a cooling effect, and it feels like it's like plumping your skin, which I really do love. I love anything that plumps up the skin. That is really what is going to diminish the lines and wrinkles. That is going to just kind of even them out instead of filling them in with something. But yeah, I really like it. I really love the way it's been working, and it has become a part of my everyday routine. Like I said, morning and night I've been using this stuff. I will be repurchasing this whenever I do run out of it. It don't seem to really go nowhere though. I've had it, like I said, for about a week and a half. You can hardly tell that I've even touched it because, again, you do use it says 4 to 6 drops. I've only been using about 3 to 4 drops because it's very hydrating. And I mean, it spreads so well. I've never had a serum really spread like as far as this one goes. So I really do like that about it. So yeah, I wanted to come on here and give you guys a quick review and let you know about a product that I liked. Again, there will be a code and a link in the description box below. The code will save you 40% off of the already low price of $14.99. Again, this is not a sponsored video. They did send the product to me for free to review and for an honest review, like I said. So I will link them below if you do want to go check them out. And guys, make sure to turn your bell on. That way you are notified of every time I upload a video. Also, rate the video, guys. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Give it a thumbs down if you didn't. Don't really matter as long as YouTube sees that you're watching my videos. And one more thing, guys. hit that subscribe button and become part of my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.